Hey, and welcome. Apple provide number of models that we could use them for machine learning. So we don't have to care a lot about the machine learning work. Most of the work is doing by Apple. We just add the model and boom, we done. So for example, if I go to this website, which is developer.apple.com/machine learning, you would see here number of machine learning model that we could use. Like some one of them is just analyze the image and give you some details about the image. Other of them about writing messages, and here give you details about like what's the object, and more things here you see them. So whatever the model that we want to use, just we add it and boom, we done. So if I go down a little bit, I would see here number of models could use them. For example, this one. This model named XuseNet responsible for detect the dominant object presented in the image for set 100 categories such as tree, animal, foods, whatever. So if you go down more, you would see this one. So this model will do different things like detect sense of the image from 25 category. And this one detect the dominate object presented in image set with 100 category. So there is different model. We could use any one of them and add it in our project. So think about I want to use this one because I want to analyze the image. So all what I have to do, just click on this one and wait for some time until he download it. While he downloaded, what I have to do, I just create a new project to start working with. So this should be my activity, and I will create a new project. I will name it machine learning image define. Okay, we could, if you see it like long image, say image define machine learning in this way. So next, then I would go to the desktop, wherever iOS Udemy, iOS, and here's it. So here I create my project. So he did create, and also I think he complete from download the model for me. Now the model I have it. So all what I have to do is just go here to download, just get my model, which is this one, just take it, drag it, drop it in my project. Make sure to enable this one, and boom, I'm done. Make sure the minimum target is 11, not less than 11, because machine learning start working with 11 and after that. So if you go here, click on this one, you will see some details about this library. What I have to do is basically, if I just go here, click on this one, he give you some classes that you could use them. Like if you get instance from this class, you could use some function, which is most important function that I would use is a predicate. Like give him an image as an input image, and he predicate what this image should have. So to get started, first of all, we have to load the image or take image from the camera. So to take image from the camera, I would use simple example. So I would add image view, and this should be my image view. Okay. Let me suppose the width and height will be equal. So I would say like 200, 300 by 300. Okay, this is my image. Okay, and I would use text field to show our label, show the details if you want, but I would prefer to speak, but I would add this one for some cases. So I would add this text field or this label. Okay, or if you want to add text in multi-line, you would prefer to use text field, which is this one, to show the text on multi-line. So yeah, use this one if you prefer that. Okay, and for sure you need to have an image to take the picture from camera. So I need a button to take picture from the camera. So here is it. I say take, okay, picture. I would not like do many work for adding constraint and other stuff. I think what I will do, just first of all, is go to the attribute inspector, background image. For this one, you could select this, and the hint I would select the white color. Yes, and I just click on view controller here and say add missing constraint. He should add all the missing constraint that I needed. Yeah, it's just not my difficult thing. Just add default constraint. He will add all what we need. So to start working with this, I just make sure remove that part and try to connect this UI with the code. So this is my UI things. So this one, image view, display the image that taken from camera. I would name it like image take. So I say image image view. Okay, image view object. Okay, and should be outlet. And this one, show our results, name it li description des image, or image description, or description. I would prefer li image description. Okay, and the last one is this one. When someone click on it, he will get the details. So I would name it bu take picture. Okay, he will be responsible for take picture. So to take picture, first thing you need to know, we need to have a permission to take that picture. So first of all, I have to go to this part, info, and here, from here, I just try to add, okay, wait a second, here, I would try to add privacy for the photo, like camera usage description. I say, hey, camera, maybe he was able to do autocomplete for somehow, so look for privacy. So here is it, camera usage description, that's responsible for use camera. And bam, that's what I want, just use the camera. So going back to my code, what I have to do is just try to take picture. So to take picture using the camera, the process really easy and straightforward, and we did this before load the image. Same thing for take the image. So to take image, okay, you just here define variable, name it image picker. Okay, and this image picker should be instance of the UI image picker controller, and this, and make sure this one will be initialized here. So will be dot equal delegate equal self, and before that I need to initialize it. So image picker equal UI image controller, and initialize it. Then after I initialized, I define the source type. So source type, here I would use the camera, so I would use dot camera. That means I'm using the enums for the camera. Then whenever you want to take picture, and that is. But now when I will take picture, for sure this button will be responsible for taking picture. Even this is not button, this is outlet. I will fix it second. But to work with the camera, I have to use here something, name it UI navigation controller delegate, which is this one, and I would use also UI image picker controller delegate, UI image picker controller delegate, which is this one. So these two methods, I need to use them in my work. Let me just add some spaces maybe. Well, already working without spacing. So now basically I should be done to connect with it, but this one I just call it as a action, as outlet, but while I need it as action. So this one was wrong part. I need the button to be as action. So just take it again, bu take picture, and make sure don't keep it outlet, make it to action. Okay, so you will see the event. So bam, I should be all set this part. So now with the part of taking image, so I just set everything. So think about one take image. What we will do, say hey, image picker dot, or present for the image picker. I say hey, present in this way. Then he asks you what you want to present. Okay, I want to present the picker, image picker, animated, yes, so true. He's asked for boolean, and any complete, I say null. So now when someone click on this one, the camera should be open. Then when the camera should be open, I will be waiting for some result from the camera for sure. I say hey, image picker did finish picking media, did finish picking media or information. So when he did finish picking the media, I would do something. Okay, I would say, hey, first of all, I have the image that I display the image in it. Okay, I will say here, hey, image one, image.image1, whatever the image, I say, hey, will be equal info, whatever I have information in the info, because in the info I have UI image picker controller, UI image picker controller. Too much, I know that. Controller origin image, and don't forget, just complete this part. Say as UI image, because I believe I would take image, so I would say I convert it to UI image. So basically taking whatever image he selected and display here. So when you're done, for sure you need to dismiss the image picker. So I say, hey, image picker dot dismiss, and I give it yes, true, null. So the process not so complex, really easy. Just you define the picker, you initialize it. When someone click on the button, you just show the image. When he just select, you get the image and display it. That's just for working with image. Make sure connect with a real device. Add real device over USB. So take your iPhone, connect it with USB, because the simulator doesn't have any camera. So connect real device before you're running. Make sure you go to the preferences and add account. Just click here and add your Apple ID account with your information about your Apple ID. Just could create it online. I just already have account created here. So after you create the account and connected, just click next. He will run the application on the device. So and he give me basic error about SDK version. They say image signing team. He asked me about the signing one. So it shouldn't be a problem, because here need the team name. See, in the signing, make sure select personal team, like which is me, and boom, I should be able to run now and see the output. So to see the output, I would use media one. The media I have it, I don't remember the name of it, but name it something player. I have it in the machine here, QuickTime player, and then a QuickTime player, I would go to the new movie recorder, and I try to select iPhone, so I would be able to see the output on the device. Here we go. After a while I see this one, so I click on take picture, so he will take me to other app. He asks me to access permission. I will access permission, then I will do this one, take picture. Then I say use this image, so he'll be able to show it to me. And yes, until now I was able just to take picture and load that picture in our phone. So no more, just this is the process. What we will do in next video, we will try to analyze this picture. So here we done. Thank you for watching, and see you next.